No, Stella, keep your jacket on because you're gonna sit down and watch this and you'll cool off. Sit down.
Still in the seat.
That's fine.
This marks the 25th time we've held the American Challenge Gas Balloon event.
Well, but they didn't have
That
it.
they canceled due to weather.
Gas balloons typically fly for days, often reaching the northeast part of the United States. And being an international event, Balloon Fiesta attracts pilots and spectators from around the world. They come for many reasons.
It's the drone show.
Flying the Albuquerque box.
How they make the fire look inside.
They make it look like the balloon's turning around.
And it's floating up. Wow.
It's cool how they all stand
It's the Zia symbol.
The New Mexico flag. Look how it's waving. Wow.
I feel like I'm at Disney.
That's New Mexico, babe. No, it's not. That's New Mexico. I don't know why you argue with me.
I don't know. I guess I just
This next one's cool.
Where the official state question is red or green. There is a rich cultural environment in New Mexico.
It is a house. Good job. Casita. A house. Somebody had to get their advertising in,
That's
okay?
right. They sponsored it. So.
This aerial drone show is presented by
Yeah, but it's worth it.
Casino.
Oh yeah.
Their portion of this is still pretty cool.
I'm like flying closer.
All right, Dad, watch this part.
Oh yeah, I saw. I figured it out.
Watch.
Now you have to explain that to the rest.
Look, fireworks.
Balloon Fiesta.
Drone fireworks.
Fireworks at every evening session.
Drone works.
Fireworks mixed with drones. Or fireworks made by drones.
And join us for all 14 different ballooning sessions.
Join you for 2. I haven't seen any balloons yet.
Well, you kind of joined from your house.
Yeah, that's true.
Thanks for celebrating years with us.
Oh, they played Happy Birthday for me.
Happy birthday, Natalie.
I'm so special. They got the numbers wrong at the top, though.
Yeah, you're not quite finished, right?
And it all started due to the vision, energy, and dedication of one man, Sid Cutter.
Big heart, huh? Look, I love watching him move and shift to the next thing.
I think they're done.
I think that's it.
They look so graceful when they move.
Oh?
They just kind of consolidate. Had to go down the way they came up.
That is not what I was expecting. I was expecting him to like fly over and do flashing lights or something. Not that. That was amazing.
That's why I was like you
strobe
guys
lights
should
to us.
see this, yeah.
What's drones?
Like strobe lights that flash at you. That was pretty impressive.
That's what I thought when I saw it.
Did you videotape any of it?
I videotaped a lot of it. I'm so mad at myself. I missed the red or green part because I thought I was videotaping, but I wasn't. But I videotaped
I
a
got
lot.
that part.
Did you? Okay, so we probably got the whole show combined. mind.
That's actually where I stopped. I did leading up to the red and green.
I got the whole thing, but it also has us like